Welcome to this video on building a successful career in production planning. Presented by ThinkTree Technologies, we will explore the opportunities available through SAP PP training in Delhi NCR. SAP Production Planning acts as the central nervous system of modern manufacturing. It helps organizations manage production scheduling, material requirements, and shop floor operations to improve efficiency and reduce costs. A key benefit of SAP PP is its seamless integration across the manufacturing enterprise, connecting modules like materials management, sales and distribution, quality management, and finance for data-driven decision-making. Future-proof your skills with SAP S/4HANA. Unlike outdated manual systems, S/4HANA offers real-time analytics, mobile-ready applications, and advanced predictive planning, making it essential for modern production. Our Smart Factory curriculum begins with master data configuration. You will learn to build the foundation, from bill of materials and work centers to routings, before moving into core planning strategies. The curriculum continues with execution and optimization. You will master manufacturing processes, shop floor control, and capacity planning, gaining the skills to manage the complete life cycle of a product. SAP PP is versatile, allowing you to adapt to diverse manufacturing modalities, whether it is discrete, repetitive, or process manufacturing, each with unique requirements for production setups and recipes. Whatever your background, be it a recent graduate, engineer, or supply chain professional, our career path is designed to help you become an SAP consultant or analyst with no prior experience required. Earning an SAP PP certification offers significant value. It provides high industry demand, competitive remuneration, global career mobility, and a clear pathway for long-term professional growth and consulting. Delhi NCR is a premier hub for SAP learning. Benefit from a strong ecosystem, direct corporate access to top-tier companies, expert trainers, and targeted placement assistance. Choose the right partner. The ThinkTree Standard focuses on updated SAP S/4HANA curriculum, experienced industry trainers, live project implementation, and comprehensive career support over pure theory. Start your SAP PP career today. Master the skills needed to unlock global opportunities in manufacturing and consulting. Contact ThinkTree Technologies to begin your journey.